You, yes you. This is a monitor, and we're not all lucky enough to have something this attractive on our screens. This is a monitor mount. I don't even know why they're called monitor mounts. I've got 10 of these and none of these. Whether you're a photographer, a videographer, a content creator, a target shooter, or someone who just needs one of these, you need one of these. 3 different bass options. Coldshoe with a 1/4-20 thread underneath. Picatinny with a cool little lever clamp. By the way, the love child of both. Huh? Nice one, Beryl. This little bad boy is going to elevate your work. Look, it's got a rail attached to it. You could nail that to a tree and stick your camera to a tree. You don't even need tools, apart from nails, a hammer, maybe a screwdriver, and some tools. Hector, what's one word you'd use to describe this?
Sexy.
It is sexy. He's right, it's sexy. I challenge thee to a duel. Do you know who needs one of these? Your mum. Has she got a monitor? No, she hasn't. That's the point. It's not just a monitor mount. Kneel. Pan or tilt? Wrong. Both. And yes, it'll even hold a monitor. Do you mind?
Don't you mess with us, we're not afraid. Look at us, no, there is nothing to discuss. I'm not okay, but I'll get up. I know the